What's up, guys? Angel here. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Angel. I'll talk about streetwear. But anyways, that's besides the point. Today, we will be unboxing the Grateful Dead and Nike SB shoe. This is the green pair. They did release 3 shoes in orange, a yellow, and in green. I got this in green, size 10, from the Grateful Dead website and the raffle thing. So yeah, let's get unboxing this thing. All right, so here we have the box. Let's just get right into it. So this is the green pair of the 3 colorways. They released an orange, a yellow, and the green one. The orange one was exclusive to a FTC skate shop in San Francisco. The green one was available in skate shops and also in the Grateful Dead website. And then the yellow one, which was the most popular or the most most quantities of it, that was available in sneakers and also in skate shops. If I can open this up. Yikes. Okay. So we have the green pair right here. We have information of it, $130. Yeah, so right here we have your regular Nike SB box, the multi-colorway or all the colorway. It says Nike SB. This is an SB shoe, meaning it's a skateboarding shoe. Like I was saying, yeah, this is a Nike SB shoe. What differentiates the regular SBs and also the Dunks is that the tongue is more thicker, as we'll see in this shoe right here. So hopefully you guys can see it. All right, so here we go. Here is the shoe, Nike SB Grateful Dead. This is my first impression of it. This shoe is sick. Look at that. This shoe, I guess I did guess size 10, but this looks so huge. So that's the one shoe, and then here we have both shoes. Bro, these are insane. Yo, look at that. These are crazy. As you can see, we have the green pair. Both shoes, of course. All right, so it's been a couple of hours since I've unboxed the shoe. We'll get quickly hands-on right now. So Nike collabed with Grateful Dead. Grateful Dead is a rock band very popular in the 1970s. They also made some cool vintage t-shirts, very cool designs. But anyways, yeah, they came out with 3 shoes. The shoes basically translate to the 5 marching bears in their Grateful Dead logo. They had a yellow one, a green, a orange one, a blue one, and the pink. The blue and pink, they haven't released any shoe, but we have the green one right here. So yeah, cool features, you could say. This teddy bear feel goes all around the shoe. Very nice teddy bear. It's not a real bear. It's just like prosthetic, you could say, but very nice, soft. It has some high quality leather all around the shoe, or overlay, you could say. In this swoosh, it has like a felt swoosh, you could say. And it has like the spiky things that basically also translates to the collar in the little bear, you could say. And also in the front, some other cool features is this logo, the Nike logo in the back. This is also the same font used for Grateful Dead in their like logos, you could say. Yeah, it has like a blue outsole, very nice blue outsole, you could say. It has Nike SB in the bottom. This is overall a very crazy shoe. If you wear this, you're definitely get lots of looks. I personally am not a huge fan of this shoe. I feel like it's too out there for me. I don't know. I'm mostly like a minimal guy, you could say. But other features, you have this stash pocket. Very nice stash pocket. You could hide whatever you want to hide in there. But it's a very big stash pocket. It goes up to like almost in my entire hand. Very long. It's in blue, since this is a green and blue colorway. And also in the insole, it has the 5 marching bears. And also in the back, it has like a zoom type of thing, but it also has the Grateful Dead skull with Nike. Also another logo from Grateful Dead. But yeah, those are like the main features of this shoe. Very crazy shoe. This is a Nike SB low, meaning that of course it has a bigger tongue, and also it's a low SB, meant for skating, you could say. I know CCS, the skate shop, they did like a video where they did 100 kickflips, and it handled pretty well. Not too much tearing. But another last feature you could say is this lacing. It has like the lightning bolt used for Grateful Dead, the blue and red. Very nice. It's probably like my favorite thing about it. I don't know. Also the stash pocket is pretty cool. This shoe is going for crazy money right now. Around this size is going for around $1,400, you could say. The yellow one is the least profitable. It's still pretty profitable, but it's very less. And the orange one is going for like $4,000, since that was only available in the FTC skate shops and also in the Grateful Dead, but only a couple pairs. You may be wondering how I got this shoe. I mentioned it a little bit earlier. Basically, Grateful Dead, they did like a queue system that like you signed up, and then the next day they would choose like a couple winners to have a chance, first come first serve, to buy this shoe. I checked my email like 3 hours later, and then somehow I still got in the line, and I was able to purchase the shoe. I was going for a 10.5, but then it sold out, so I went for a 10, which I'm pretty happy for. It's doing pretty good in the market. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna keep this shoe. You're probably gonna like dislike right now, but that money, like, I help a lot my family. You know, I can buy lots of stuff, more shoes, a lot as well, and I can also invest that into other shoes to make even more money. But it's also a very crazy shoe, so you can't really match it with a lot of clothing. But yeah, overall, I feel like Nike and Grateful Dead did a very good good collab. Probably the best collab of the year in my opinion. Also from the Chunky Dunkies, the Ben and Jerry's, those were very good. But this is like a very top, probably one of the best collabs of Dunks this year. We'll see in the future though. We're only halfway through the year, so we'll see other collabs. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing and the little like hands-on on the Grateful Dead shoe. Make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you get notified when I upload. Also subscribe to my other channel where I post every other day. I'm not posting here. And yeah, that's pretty much it for me, guys. Laters.